Samsung official original Galaxy Note 9 S Pen, color black. Batteries, one lithium ion battery is required. Samsung official original Galaxy Note 9 S Pen, color brown. 4096 level of pressure sensitivity. Official Galaxy Note 9 replacement S Pen. Original officially Samsung replacement S Pen Stylus for the Galaxy Note 9. Battery, one lithium ion battery required. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 replacement pen, color lavender purple. Official Galaxy Note 9 replacement S Pen 4096 level of pressure sensitivity through applied pressure and angle sensitivity with the intelligence to translate, magnify negative and create win a full platelet of brush and pen types. Power supplied by docking, inserting S Pen into phone. US version come with quick start guide and 1 year product warranty. Samsung official original Galaxy Note 9 S Pen, color violet. 4096 level of pressure sensitivity. Official Galaxy Note 9 replacement S Pen. Product description: color violet. Original official Samsung replacement S Pen Stylus for the Galaxy Note 9. Battery, one lithium ion batteries required. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 S Pen, color yellow ocean blue. Officially Galaxy Note 9 replacement S Pen 4096 level of pressure sensitivity through of live pressure and angle sensitivity with the intelligence to translate, magnify negative and create with a full plate of brush and pen types. Power supplied by docking, inserting S Pen into phone. US version come with the quick start guide and 1 year warranty. The revelatory S Pen has true to life pressure and angle sensitivity with the intelligence to translate, magnify negative and create with a full platelet brush. And just like a real pen, it never need to be charged. Official original Samsung Galaxy Note 9 S Pen, color blue yellow. 4096 level of pressure sensitivity. Official Galaxy Note 9 replacement S Pen.